Hello everyone, my name is Dana Guerrero. I present to you my ID card and in this video I will explain about three super interesting strategies to summarize a story or a text. The first strategy is called first, then, and finally. And its characteristic is tell us that summarize in chronological order. The word first shows the beginning, the main idea. The word then shows the main details. The word finally indicates the result. This strategy is very interesting because it has three strong points that present all the ideas in a summarized way. Here we have a clear example where we use a text about social media, where it tells us social media helps you build your brand by interacting with others and sharing interesting facts about yourself. Sharing content on social media can help you gain followers and hot followers who will then be interested in what you have to say. It also helps build trust between the viewer and the content creator because they already know them because of their interaction on social media platforms such as Twitter or Facebook. Now, applying the first then finally strategy, it tells us in a summarized and concrete way and says, first, social media is a link that helps people share with each other. Then, those who are interested in you will follow you through your account. Finally, followers and content creators will be able to establish trust on platforms such as Facebook and Twitter. You see how all the points were covered and where the main ideas and the main details and the results were presented with connectors first, then, and finally. The second strategy is called Give Me the Gist, where it says that helps to understand complex text, combine the most relevant ideas of a text, not so many details are written, and write the essence of the text. Here we have an example of a text that talks about unsafe water. You can see that the key words and ideas are repainted. Here you can see that I repainted where it says unsafe water contains germs, parasite or toxic chemicals, human or animal contaminated water, impersonation, transmission of diseases such as cholera and typhoid. And here in the summarized version, the use of these keywords and phrases is evident. And the summarized version says like this: unsafe water contains many poisonous chemicals and germs. Pollution and lack of water purification cause infections, diseases in human and animals, for example, cholera and typhoid fever. Finally, we have the third strategy called somebody wanted but because so then. Among its characteristics, it tells us the most important details of the story are included. Somebody represents the protagonist wanted to reveal what the characters want in the story, but reveals the conflict, so described event or obstacles, then reveals what's the end result of the story was. This strategy is widely used to summarize story, tales, or fables, and the use of this strategy allows students have a better understanding of the text. Here we have an example of a story about the three little pigs. For many, this story seemed very long, but if we apply or want to tell the story to someone in less than 5 minutes, we can summarize it with strategies somebody wanted because but saw them. And the tale of the three little pigs in summary says. Some little pigs lived in the forest. Each one wanted to build a house because a bad wolf was chasing them. But only one of them built a brick house, so the wolf blew and destroyed the other weak houses. Then the other little pig entered the brick house. The wolf blew and couldn't knock it down, and he didn't eat the little pig either. Well, guys, did you know that I used the connectors and keywords? I painted the connectors pink, so you can see that I use the strategy, and from now on, we will be telling someone the story of the three little pigs in less than 5 minutes. That's all, dear guys. Take care. Bye bye.